This video demonstrates how to build parts in Google SketchUp using the cutter path files created in Cambium Code standard. Cambium Code comes with two scripts for SketchUp which create parts after reading the output files from Cambium Code. These scripts only work with Cambium Code cutter path files. Here you can see the sample project that we're using to demonstrate the mortise cuts, a simple end table. In a previous video entitled Cambium Code Standard Overview, we created the G-code to create these mortise cuts in the table leg. The first program cut the first mortise, the second program this lower mortise. Now I'm going to clear the model file, so we start with a blank SketchUp file. I'm going to manipulate the perspective to one I like a little more and select the script that will create a new part. The script will ask you if you want to clear the model first. We say yes, and you can see here the part has been created for us. Now I'm going to spin the model around so it's viewed from the same perspective as the Cambium Code help screen and zoom in a bit. Here you can see that when the part is created in SketchUp, it has the same axis orientation and origin point as when it's created in Cambium Code. The second script for Cambium Code allows us to apply a new cut to an existing model. Here we're going to apply the second mortise cut, and as you can see, it shows up in the correct position. Now I'm going to group the SketchUp entities so they can be manipulated into position to receive the cuts on the second face of the table leg. First I'm going to rotate, then translate the part into position. Once it's in this position, the table leg is in the same orientation as it would be on your router table to receive the cuts, with the same origin point and the same axis orientation. Again, we apply the script that will place cuts in an existing model. The script will ask if you really want to place cuts. Here you can see that it doesn't apply cuts to a group, so it will break it into its constituent parts and place the cut. We use the same script to apply the lower cut, and we get the second mortise. We've now finished the table leg, and we can save this model as a component and import it into our table assembly model. 4 instances of the leg can be used to complete the table. These same scripts that we use to create the mortise parts can be used to create the other cut types that are available in Cambium Code, such as dovetails and tenons.